I'm Ian at KarateMart.com.
And I'm Corbin at KarateMart.com.
Woo! Today we're talking about parties.
That's right. We're doing a ninja party.
Yay!
If you're going to do a ninja-themed party, we've basically got everything that you need.
Basically the whole setup.
Yeah.
From start to finish.
Yeah. If you're going to do a party, the first thing you want to do is get some friends. Don't worry, Ian, I got you covered.
Okay, good.
Then you want to send invitations to your friends. We have those. It's called the Ninja Party Invitation.
It's right here.
Yeah. So mine says save the date, bring a weapon, Corbin the formal ninja.
Mine just says Products Guy Ian.
Of course, you're going to want to put the person's name, and then right where it says RSVP, that's French for please let me know if you're coming.
March 27th. All day. What's on the 27th?
That's when the party's at, Ian. Yeah, we actually designed these.
I actually designed these in
Yeah.
2013.
Did you? The design is older than some of the people who will be attending your party. They're sold in 8-packs.
But that's a pretty standard number for a party invitation.
Yeah, so make sure that you invite 8 friends, or 16, or 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96, 104, and so forth.
Yeah, any multiple of 8 will do.
Yeah.
Well, now that we've been invited to a party, ninja decorations, and what's interesting about the decorations, they're all, we have a couple of different kind of collections that are all coordinated so that they match.
Oh, okay.
Ooh. Well, they're all ninja themed, but some of it, like this is kind of a black and red ninja theme. We have kind of a gold ninja themed collection. Basically, they're just, color coordinated.
Oh,
so
I
that,
see.
That they all go together.
So you'll know that they're coordinated because they'll have the same name. Like, these are the Ninja Warrior.
Yes, this is the Ninja Warrior stuff.
Ninja Warrior, Ninja Warrior, Ninja Warrior.
It's kind of black and red. It all coordinates kind of a ninja theme. And then we have Ninja Attack, which is also ninja theme, but just kind of a different color.
Yeah.
Different color combo.
It seems as though the Ninja Warrior we have the most stuff with.
Yes.
Because not only do we have the decorations, the plates, the cups, but even like the toys and things.
Yes.
But also the black, white,
and red, yeah.
And red, yeah.
Yeah.
So, okay, so we've got cups for drinks. I've got plates. There's 2 uses for these tiny swords. You can either use them to sort of pick at food like
cheeses,
salamis, fruit, pieces.
Hold little sandwich squares together.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Also, if for whatever reason at a party, I don't know if this has ever happened to you, Ian, if you ever shrink down about 12 inches in size, a weapon is really useful.
Also, if you need to hold 3 olives together in an adult beverage, putting together a child's birthday party is definitely a reason to have a drink.
I think these are sold in like a 144 pack. So
gross.
Yeah. We sell chopsticks. Legit.
We have legit chopsticks?
Yeah. We also have these, like, some kids have a little, when I was growing up, I had a little trouble with chopsticks.
I'm an adult, I have a little trouble with chopsticks. I missed the critical learning to use chopsticks, period. There's a Vietnamese restaurant by my house, and there's a little girl, she couldn't have been 6, maybe 7. Using chopsticks with a level of dexterity I will never have.
Uh-huh.
And at that moment I realized that no matter how much I practice, I'll always look like someone who's learning to use a fork again after some terrible accident.
Mm-hmm.
But these ones hold the sticks together.
Yeah.
You don't have to be good at anything to use these.
We've got these ninja party hangers. We've got this tablecloth.
Oh yeah, these are fun. They have kind of a spiral thing on them.
Yeah, we've got this tablecloth here.
Pack of the balloons come in 3 colors. Can you see the black one?
No, black one's hidden.
No, it's right there. You can see it. You can see his eyes.
We also have these party hats, which we've been wearing this whole...
When the hat's on, you know it's time to party! Woo woo woo! Oh, we're at a party!
Play your ninja music.
What kind of music do ninjas listen to?
I don't know. I imagine that a ninja just listens to silence because
Ooh.
They've got to be creeping. Yeah.
Doonch, doonch, doonch. That's how ninjas party. Yes.
Maybe some sort of hip-hop beat. Just the beat. So, once you get all of your decorations out, then you want to start planning games and activities.
Games and activities, absolutely.
Yeah. You can look online for ideas.
You get on Pinterest for some good ideas, good kids' birthday party ideas for games, all that other stuff. But you set a nice base. Get a theme and a base going with all this stuff.
I've heard you could take pool noodles and make, like, karate weapons to have kids smack each other with.
Mm-hmm.
Pool noodles are safe and effective. There's a game called Forehead Detective.
I played a lot of Forehead Detective.
So you must be really good at it then.
I'm super good at it.
All right, so you can play Forehead Detective with some plain white headbands, which we sell.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll go ahead and do a round of this.
We'll do a round of Forehead Detective. side ponytail like it's the 90s, if that's the center of it. Okay, so we're all prepared.
You go first. Am I bigger than a bread box?
You're huge.
Am I alive?
In a sense.
What might I be doing on a Saturday evening?
You'll be doing a lot on a Saturday
lot.
evening.
Okay, so is it a
You're
chicken?
terrible at this game.
Am I a planet?
You're global in a sense.
Am I a corporation?
No, you are not a corporation. However, there are a lot of corporations involved. We're there now, in a sense.
The KarateMart.com warehouse.
More like where this video is.
I'm Google.
Google lives there as well.
I'm the internet.
You're the internet. Yes!
This will take up a lot of time for your party. All right.
Okay. Is this thing biological in nature?
Yes. Let me give you a clue. You're blue, you're round, you're so disgusting I would not put you near my mouth.
What is that supposed to mean? Is it a fruit?
Yes.
A rotten blueberry?
Yes! Very good, Ian.
So you looked at me and you thought to yourself, what also describes this person? You said rotten blueberry? I think that's pretty fun.
So that's a fun activity you can do to pass the time and possibly frustrate small children if they don't know how to guess. So once your party's over, there's an opportunity to thank your guests for showing up.
A classy host will do this.
Yes, so to be a classy host, you want to
Oh, look, I got a gift box on my way out the door. Thank you so much, Corbin.
you can either give your party favors in the little tote bags. These come in a sack of 12.
Yeah.
Or-
Six black, 6 red.
Mhm,
Yep.
Yeah. Or these little boxes. These are a little bit bigger, so depending on how stingy you want to be or look.
Kind of like takeout containers,
Mhm,
which
yeah.
I think is super fun and kitschy.
And effective.
What's in mine? Let's take a look. Oh,
yes.
I got a little squishy ninja toy.
The little ninja plush doll.
Bloop, bloop. Yep, I like it. Oh, these are the flinger things, huh? And you just load these up onto your finger, like this. Oh yeah, sticky ninja stars. Okay, so these are a ton of fun.
Mm-hmm. Oh, and these are actually new. These are...
Oh my gosh, my childhood. Yes, a snap bracelet.
Yeah, the ninja slap bracelet. You'll notice they're a little bit on the small side for adults, but they're perfect for
Whatever,
kids.
that's perfect.
Yeah.
I wear that all day. Oh, I got a black snap bracelet. I love the snap bracelets. Kids these days just don't know. So these are new?
Yeah, just this week. And then we also have little stress ball ninjas, which hopefully the children won't need as much as you do.
Okay. Oh, look, there's more fun stuff in here.
If you like those little, remember those little army men with a little platform on their feet? You can buy a 144 pack.
A gross of little ninja men? Wacha!
That's a disc shooter.
There's so many toys.
Yeah,
We have
yeah.
so much ninja stuff in terms of toys and like kid stuff. It's ridiculous.
So you should just look at the website and see what we've got.
You can get 90% of your party sorted out in like one order and have like a cool matching theme like that.
Yeah, yeah.
And then like, you know, whatever, put a little food together, a couple little sandwiches, stick them together with those sword things, done, done, and done.
The easier the better, right? Karate Mart's got your back. We've got some ninja candy that you can give out. You definitely want to give that out right before you give those kids back to their parents.
Right. Yeah, so, and the suckers are cute too. These gummy ninja snacks are actually delicious.
You weren't supposed to eat that, Ian. Luckily, I planned ahead and I got another one.
You totally knew I was going to eat that, didn't you?
I do work with this man.
Unpredictable.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, these are so good.
Aren't they?
Mmm, mmm.
They're like a gummy candy, but they're not so sweet as to be like cloyingly sweet, and they're very soft. Right? What do you think about it?
Oh my gosh.
Whenever one of those boxes comes up damaged, I'm like excited about it.
What kind of damage, Ian?
Just, you know, if it's been dropped.
If Ian drops the box.
I've never intentionally.
Oops. Earlier today, Ian said, let's do a video about parties so that we can open up a box of those candies.
Did I say that?
So that's how you throw a ninja-themed party. Thanks for watching this video.
Thanks!
Yeah, be sure to like this video, comment below, subscribe, email us with your stories of ninja-themed debauchery, pics or it didn't happen.
But luckily, with these tablecloths, you can just go like this. Done. We're done. Party's over. Thanks.